We have different mentalities, mindsets, and, ideas about, oh, well, my physical dad, he'd never showed me that. So how is my real, how is this, dad in heaven supposed to be like that? Like, we have different, concepts of, relationships with money, relationships with our father, relationships with authority. Talk about that. How can we overcome if we've kind of come under frameworks or modeling that has been really diminished our vision on like what's possible in terms of God wanting to partner with us or wanting to give us wisdom and things to steward and manage, or the idea that God wants to invest in you and like you to grow.
Yeah, I mean, our mindsets have to shift to become congruent with who the Father sees us as. That's kind of the beginning point, because maybe we had a bad experience with the Father or didn't have a Father that was present. And that becomes a framework through which we see not only the Father, but authority figures, and then just how we see the potential of our own life. And so we've got to taste and see that the Father is good.